Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to create group chat on TikTok and also the things that you should know about the TikTok group chat feature. So first, go ahead and open your TikTok application on your device. Okay, so don't forget to log into your account. So, TikTok released a group chat feature in May of 2021. Group chats were only available to everyone for a month before the feature disappeared. TikTok hasn't made an official announcement about group messaging either way, but it's possible that they're still testing it with a small subset of users to prepare it for a larger release. So if that group chat feature is available for your account, you can create a group chat by sending a video to two or more friends. So first thing that you'll need to do is you have to click on the share button. And when you do that, you'd be able to see here your friends. Now all you have to do is to select a friend and then type out a message like for example, watch it guys. And after that, you'd be able to see an option right here in this section to share this video to a group chat or to multiple friends. But as you can see, I don't have that feature because it will be depending on your account. So my account is not eligible for this kind of feature, but maybe some of the accounts. So if you're going to try that, that is the only way on how to create a group chat on TikTok. So I hope you learned something today, and that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.